Hi everybody, I'm Debbie Ahrens. Thank you for joining me today on Your Home. I'm going to talk today a little bit about solid counter surfaces, and this one is one of my favorites. It's called Dekton. It's fairly new to this area and it is indestructible. You cannot burn this product, you can't scratch this product. It is not a natural stone, it is a man-made material, but it comes in so many different colors and textures and finishes. Of course, these are just a few that I have here in my office. This one, of course, looks like the weathered wood that we're seeing everywhere. Then they have one that's going to be very similar to a slate color, and these are very matte. They don't have any shine to them at all. They also have one that's very similar to a marble. People have a very hard time telling, is it marble or is it not? So this product is great. Now, my favorite in this product line is going to be their product that actually looks like a piece of glass on top of the Dekton. So these come in solid colors. I have 3 here, but white is my favorite, and to put something like this in a bathroom is always great. The lines are fresh and clean. You can spill wine on this, you can spill Kool-Aid on this. It is not porous at all, so nothing will happen to it. It's a great product. If any of you are interested in finding more about Dekton, please give us a call here at my office. You can see our phone number on our Facebook page, and we would love to hear from you. So I want to thank all of you for joining me. I'm Debbie Ahrens. I hope to see you next time so that we can make a house your home. For more information on this segment, please join me on Facebook at Debbie Ahrens Designs.